Hello there, this is Jay Johnson with windowpurchase.com. Welcome back. If you're watching this video on YouTube, you can go directly to windowpurchase.com and watch all my videos located in one convenient spot. And the video I want to do today is pretty specific. It's on the inset for sliding patio doors. And I did another video on patio doors that explained some different things, but I want to hit specifically the inset. I want to show you what I'm talking about. So here's a vinyl door, which is a great door. And you can see this runs flat and flush. And then you have this inset here that it would go into and seat itself. And then of course you have weather stripping here and weather stripping here. And using this tiny little tape measure, that's maybe about ½ an inch. It's inset, okay? When you go over to the fiberglass door, it's a completely different animal. This is 1.5 inches inset, very, very deep. And when you come over to the other side, you have the same thing. You have 1.5 inches deep. So now, when this door shuts, as you can imagine, that's going to completely cover over that 1.5 inch depth, and it's going to create a much better seal. So again, pay attention to these details when you're shopping for patio doors, because it's one of the things that affects not just the security of it, but also the energy efficiency and the noise level. I'm Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.